It's part of the Chinese wrestling system. During the Tang Dynasty, you only wrestle, you grab something. But the training is not to train to grab something, is that they give you something to grab. That makes it a sport. So it's fair for everybody. The real martial skill is there's nothing to grab, but I have the ability to grab. Now you understand? So for normal people, like you touch, there's nothing to grab. But to here, can you see I have that ability to grab? Grab is attachment, right? You have to attach to something. Because on the street, people don't wear a gi for you to grab, right? You have to have this from here. Yeah, this one on top. So chest on me, hold down, elbow in. Yeah, like that. So this is me, hold hard. You see, I'm stiff, but see? You see it's full, right? Yeah. Now this has power. If I'm here, I don't have power. So hold me here. Yeah, okay, yeah. Very good. Can you see? Not good, right? But no more movement. Try it. On top to hold more. Now, chest on me, hug full. Elbow down. Yeah, can you see? There. If I stand like this, can you see my moves are like this? But now re-anchored. That time, can you see when I push? There's no move on me. If I move myself, my opponent can use it. Yeah. Oh, you want to feel here? That's okay. Give me the bear hug. This one here. This one over. Yeah. Okay. When I stand like this, can you see I'm doing this? Tight, right? But now. And if there's a resistance,